In 3, 2, 1. No, actually, I already started a little while ago.
You ready? This is exciting.
Yeah. Do you got yours on? Because I'm about to go turn the water on.
Not yet. I was getting it on. That's what I was doing.
Oh,
I have a
okay.
hard time. I can't see anything.
Okay.
I only can guess. I'm guessing at what I have. And at the moment, I see like zeros at the top, so I think it's ready to start.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Ready? Let's go do this.
We're doing it?
We're doing
Okay. We've had company all day today. That's why I didn't shoot another video till now.
Yeah.
The company just left. The shower install is completed. Now it's not complete, but it's installed. Okay.
Yeah.
This is just roughed in. Okay. But now we're gonna test to see if there's any water leaks and make sure that the shower works and make sure it's draining fast enough to where this to actually shower.
Ooh, let me shut the water off over here.
Oh, you let those on so that you can run out the line. So theoretically here, and no, we have not tacked everything up to the ceiling yet. That's all stuff I'm going to work on.
It's just there.
It's installed though, and I think these are off. So it's either this is off or this is off.
We're gonna find out.
I think that's off.
I'm turning the water on.
No, let me get out of it first. Okay. Here, you want me to hold your phone, or do you?
No,
You hold my phone. I'll turn on the water.
Okay.
There you go. You
All
can.
right.
You can
Are
do
you
it.
ready, Mr. James?
Let's see. I should probably put on my glasses. I need to check for leaks, dude.
Yeah.
On these.
Put
on
the
these
glasses
fittings.
on.
Give me
He's
just a
getting a
second.
shower. Ooh, fancy
These
pants.
my glasses or yours?
Um,
Not yours.
yeah, you
'Cause I
can't.
need to check those fittings.
You can't use mine.
Oh, I'm coming.
His glasses are way bigger, they're more powerful than mine. And but yeah, shower time.
We are both so freaking sore and tired today.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
we've been freaking moping
Now-
around all day.
We're gonna turn on the water, and either I'm gonna spring leaks, or the shower's gonna come on, or there'll be no leaks and no shower on.
I'm saying
or there'll
no
be
leaks.
and no shower.
No leaks.
Nothing's gonna happen.
No
What we
leaks.
want here is nothing to happen.
Okay, that's not on, so
It's filling.
it's filling. We ain't getting wet here. Oh,
Well,
get
it's
out
on.
of there because we're gonna get wet
Well,
now.
Yeah, that's on. That's
Look
cool.
at
That's
that.
off.
He's got to do his
Definitely
angling.
Definitely gonna angle this a little more.
Uh-huh.
Now let's see how fast the water's going down.
Ooh, the water. You want to take your phone
Yeah,
now?
I got it. This is the part that's gonna be. Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna have to build something up out here. It's coming this way
What if
too.
we turn?
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, hold on. Here, take my phone. I gotta get the squeegee.
Man.
It's cruising.
It's cruising. It's draining too. Oh, fingers in the way. Sorry. I got like two phones. All right, I got this now.
Okay, turn off the water.
I can't. I can't.
You don't have a hand.
I don't have a hand.
Okay, hold on.
It's,
I got it.
It's draining though.
It's draining equally.
Yes. Wait.
It's draining even enough. Now I gotta go get the
Yeah.
squeegee because now I have water all the way over to here.
Yeah, we're
But I'm
gonna.
definitely gonna have to build up a lip.
Yeah.
That ain't gonna work.
Yeah, gonna have to build a berm
Give me a
because
second, buddy.
he's got some stuff.
Keep filming
It's
for me.
happening.
Give me a second. I gotta
It's but it's happening. That drained fine too, James. Just got to keep the shower nozzle facing that direction.
Yep.
But yep, not much for it. That yeah, no biggie, no biggie. Yes, look at this. Oh.
I don't know where the squeegee is. I need the flashlight on my phone to find the squeegee.
Oh man. All right,
Okay.
here you go.
Attempt number 1. It works.
Yeah, worked.
It works.
Train too.
Yeah, it's draining.
Yeah,
It just needed more pressure on the top.
more pressure on the top.
So, yes, I'll be able to take a shower tonight, guys.
Yes, you are.
And we're going to call that done because I need to go find the squeegee and
Take a
get
shower,
this taken care of.
Wash the toilet, all in one. It's
Yep.
You can't beat that.
No, that's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
Shit, shower, and shave at once.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Oh, man,
We should have
that's-
mounted it right above the toilet.
Yeah.
That would have been pretty cool.
Well, by the looks of it, that thing will turn on. You can
Oh,
just
yeah, you
sit
could.
on that throne and take your morning crap while washing up.
I got to get this up though.
All right.
Well, I got to get, yeah.
It worked.
I got to go find the
It
squeegee.
was successful.
All right, guys.
So, that's
Yay! No outside bath tonight.